We're in Hawaii. So last night after we ate at Fresh Catch,
Yes,
we came home and we walked around quite a bit in the city. Cheers! Got up for sunrise, and the sunrise is on the other side of the island, but it was still really beautiful. There were so many surfers. But right now we are on our way to this restaurant that every time we pass it, I kid you not, the line is wrapped around the restaurant. And it's an udon place. And one of my friends who frequents Oahu a lot told me that the American presidents, when they come, they go to this udon place. So we're gonna go see what the commotion is all about. And it's actually right around the corner. It's right here. Sure. What is this?
Okay, this is a calamari, shrimp tempura, chicken tempura, potato croquettes, egg fries, and this is sweet potato fry.
Okay, so I just tried this and it is absolutely incredible. And the taste is really savory, incredibly savory. It's so good. What do you think of it? Amazing. So good. No wonder the line is so long every day. John?
Still eating? No? Perfect.
I'm not used to seeing people touch my food with their bare hands, but it's different. And the udon was great. That was my first experience with udon. That was awesome.
but now, but always, coffee. I need go-go juice. Lord knows I need it.
Everything looks so good. Do you have a favorite?
My personal favorite is the chocolate banana croissant. Really strong chocolate. It's like half a banana. So a banana cut half long ways.
Okay. So this is the pastry that he said. The legend has it has half a banana and half a bar of dark chocolate. No, I'm gonna sell. Okay, we got our espressos.
Thoroughly awake now.
We're thoroughly awake. I wouldn't mind another espresso though.
I could use it.
Yeah. This is the espresso crew. We can always have coffee. But we are now on our way to the beach. We're going to Lanikai and we're just gonna get some sun and enjoy our second to last day.
Oh, it's
Let's
sad.
go. Make it worth it.
It is so sad to think
I don't
about
want
that.
to leave. We have to come back to Hawaii. Speaking of coming back to places, I would love it if you guys commented down below and let us know your top travel destination and where you think we should go next. Because we would love to keep making videos together, right?
Of course.
Yes. We made it to Lanikai! Thanks to Joanne who drove. And just pulling in here, I'm convinced that this is probably the best part of the island we've been on so far.
Yeah, it's probably the most beautiful
Do you agree? It is so stunning. Maybe there'll be some colorful fish. What's been your favorite part of the trip?
Other than the food,
Other than the food. Such tender fish here.
the North Shore was
gorgeous. Just like enjoying the salty breeze. Honestly, it is, we only have a few days left. If I get a little sunburned today, I don't care. But I'm so ready to get in that water. Look at this. Okay, I will reiterate, favorite part of the island by far, the nicest beach we have seen. And it was recommended to us by a local who definitely knows his way around. I'm gonna enjoy this.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box.
It feels incredible. I'm about to go in there with my little mask because I saw some fishies swimming around in there and we thought we saw a fin. This beach is absolutely stunning. I wouldn't recommend staying anywhere else on the island. If you come here, you better book an Airbnb on this strip on the beach in Lanikai because it is so absolutely worth it. And if you're into sunrise hikes, there is a beautiful view of these two little mountains, these tiny little islands over here, and the sunrise is between them. What is the consensus on the beach? Like it?
Astonished.
Astonished, says Joanne. Astonished. I'm gonna hop in for a little bit.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little.
Okay, so we left Lanikai Beach and we were trying to head to Hanuma Bay for snorkeling.
But it's Sunday.
But it's Sunday.
And they close early.
They close at 6.
This has to be stop number 1. From now on, everyone come here first and then decide where you want to go later.
Yes.
Real Hawaii.
The real Hawaii. This part of the island is so spectacular, and I heard everybody recommending North Shore so heavily. As I told people that I was coming to Hawaii, no. North Shore is okay, but this is
insane.
It is what you think of when you go to Hawaii. Just like Florence is what you think of when you think of Italy. When you go to Florence, that's like that beautiful.
That's the heart of
like it just feels like the heart of the country. Oh my gosh, the drone footage here would be insane.
just the drive up alone you have to take. Even if you don't get out of your car, you have to at least see the drive.
Wonderful oceanside. Whoa! My skirt has limited flexibility. And this is where I propose. Okay. Were you so strong? Will you be my bridesmaid? I will, yes.
You're so long to ask. I thought you were never gonna ask.
Can we get down there?
Yeah.
This is so spectacular. Okay, of course Joanne already got a towel, came down here, and is swimming in the water. Okay, currently trying to take this all in. And I just noticed something. There's a little cave thing over there. I can't leave here without figuring out what the heck that is. Currently on the beach and found a really deep tunnel, and we don't know where it leads. Ooh. I feel like I'm on Blair Witch Project. Oh, sorry, it scared me.
I'm cool with
I'm cool with not checking. I would make a horrible reality show because that's no fun. But check out where we are. Okay, it's so dark you can't see me, but we just got out of the water. After a night swim, we are done. Aloha from Hawaii. Okay, I'm finally at the airport. I don't want to leave. This has been such a beautiful trip. Parts of belongings because we truly had a vacation. I mean, we slept in on some days. We just kind of did what the island inspired us to do on that particular day. I just wanted to show you guys something. I'm walking towards my airline, and this is part of the airport. It's like a Zen garden. Without further ado, this is Aloha, and I will catch you next time. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Please leave a comment down below if you have any recommendations for my next Hawaii adventure, because you better bet that it is coming. Aloha.
Stay